Ready to build amazing things with Python? Let's get started. Today, we're setting up the Python workspace. By the end, you'll know how to navigate Thonny, understand the difference between the editor and shell, and be ready to run your very first Python program. Just like artists need paintbrushes and scientists need microscopes, chefs need knives, we programmers need special tools too. That's where Thonny comes in. Meet Thonny, your Python development partner. Think of it as your coding headquarters. See these three main areas? Let's explore each one and discover what makes them special. First, we have the editor at the top. This is where you write your programs. Think of it as your digital notebook. Every amazing program starts here as an idea that becomes code. Next, there's the shell at the bottom. This is where Python talks back to you. When you run your program, the results appear here. It's like having a conversation with your computer. And here's the magic, the green run button. This little arrow makes your code come alive. Click it and watch your program spring into action. Here's a memory trick that works great. Think of the editor as your notebook where you write instructions, and the shell as Python's way of talking back to you, where it shows you what happened. Quick thinking time. Which area do you think we type our Python programs in? Exactly right. The editor is our coding workspace where all the magic begins. Let's see how everything works together. You write code in the editor, press the run button, and boom! Results appear in the shell. It's like sending a message to Python and getting an instant reply. Amazing! You now know the three essential parts of Thonny. You're officially ready to start your programming journey. What an incredible start! We learned that Thonny is our Python workshop, the editor is where we write our code, the shell shows us results, and the run button makes everything work. You're officially ready to code. Next up, writing your very first Python program.